Hello students and welcome to our today's class. In our today's class, we are going to discuss about the discount. I know this is not a new area. Quite often when you go to buy an item in the supermarket or wherever, in some cases you can be given a discount or you can enjoy some discount from that particular seller. So basically, a discount is a case whereby you are allowed to pay less than the marked price of that particular item. So in this case, like for example, the marked price of maybe a phone is 7,800, and then the person or the seller gives you a discount of maybe 300 shillings. So in this case, you are going to pay, this is actually the amount of money that you are going to pay will be equal to 7,800 minus 300. So in this case, you will pay 7,500. So a discount will make you or will make the seller to pay or the buyer to pay less than the actual amount he was supposed to pay for that particular item. In most cases, you'll find that the discount is going to be expressed as a percentage. You are told maybe the discount is maybe 20% of the marked price of that particular item. But before we go there, allow me to talk about how the discount is calculated. How the discount is calculated. So here, if for example you have the marked price, and you have now the actual price that the buyer is going to pay, you will find that the discount will be equal to the marked price minus the actual price that will be paid. So in this case, you'll get the discount. And then you can be asked to calculate the percentage. You can be asked to calculate the percentage discount. If you are asked to calculate the percentage discount, it is actually the discount that you calculated over the marked price times 100%. Remember the marked price, it is the price you could have paid were it not for the discount that you have been allowed. So from our example here, if we were to calculate the discount, it is going to be given by the marked price, which is 7,800, minus the actual price, in this case, which is 7,500, and you find that the person was given a discount of 300. For the case of percentage discount, for the case of percentage discount is going to be the discount, which is 300, over the marked price, which is 7,800, and then you multiply this one by 100%, and you realize that this one is going to give you 300 divided by 7,800. It is giving us a figure of 3.8. 3.8%. That is the discount that particular buyer is going to enjoy. So, having said that, I want us now to go to the questions that are normally tested as far as this particular area is concerned. You can be given this. Maybe you are told the person had bought that particular item at a certain price or intends to sell it at a discount of a certain percentage. Then you are asked either to calculate the amount of money the buyer is going to pay or something like that. If you can refer to the questions that I attached to the notes that are in your dashboard, you realize there were some questions that you were supposed to attempt. And these questions, number one reads, the marked price, you are told that the marked price of a water cooler is 46.50. That is the marked price. The shopkeeper offers a discount of 18%. There is a discount is equals to 18%. Now you are told, can you determine the selling price? Can you determine the selling price? If there was no discount, this is the price the shopkeeper will have sold that water cooler. But if he gives a discount of this, then we can come here and we say the discount is going to be this. Actually, let us use the two approaches. Number one, we can say if the discount was 18%, then it's supposed to be 18 over 100 times 46.50. So let us calculate the discount. 18% times 46.50. You find that is the same as 875. Therefore, the selling price will be equal to marked price minus the discount. So in this case, it will be 46.50. We minus the discount over 875. So the person is going to pay how much? Minus 875, you pay, the person is going to pay 3,813 shillings. That is what is going to be paid. Note this, the discount is meant to reduce the price that particular item was supposed to be sold. Another way you can do this, if there is no discount, we normally say this, without discount, the item is sold at 100%. If there is no discount, the item is normally sold at 100%. That is to say, if there is no discount, the item is going to be sold at marked price, which is representing our 100%. So at marked price, it is the same as 100%. When we give discount or when discount is offered, then that particular item is sold below 100%. So the selling price in this case was supposed to be 100% minus the discount of 18%, which you will find this one is going to be 82%. So we can come here and we say at marked price, which is the same as 100%, we can say if 100% is equivalent to 46.50, what about 82%, which is now the selling price after discount has been deducted? So we find this one is going to be 82%. I'm just cross multiplying times 46.50 over 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out. So this one is going to give you 82 times 46.50, and then you divide by 100. You find it's going to give you exactly the same answer, which is 3,813. That is going to be the price, which is actually the same as what we have here. So one thing you need to note is that discount reduces the price from 100% to a certain percentage. So it is 100%, you minus the percentage discount so that you can get the percentage at which the item was sold. I want us to see what question 2 on the same is asking. The question 2 on the notes that you have, it is asking the price of a sweater, the price of a sweater was slashed from 960 to 816, was slashed. Remember, initially the market price was 960, and then it was slashed to 816. This is now what we normally refer as the selling price by a shopkeeper in the winter season. Find the rate of discount given by him. So in this case, we know the discount is given by the market price minus the selling price. So in this case, it's going to be 960 minus 816, which you will find it to be what? 960 minus 816, you find that the discount in terms of money, it was 144. But the question was asking about the percentage discount. The percentage discount is normally given by the discount in money form, which in this case, it is 144, over the market price when there is no discount. And then you multiply by 100%. How much do you get that? 144 960. Is it, you get this one is actually the same as 15% discount. The 15% discount. Let's see number 3 so that you can be able to solve the others. Number 3 says this: find the rate of discount being given on a shirt whose selling price is the selling price, we are told it is 546 after deducting a discount of 104. The discount here, it is shillings 104 on its marked by. Find the rate of discount given a shirt whose selling price is after deducting a discount of 104 at marked by. So if we have this, if this is the selling price, we know discount is equals to MP, or marked price, minus selling price. So in this case, we don't know the marked price. In this case, we don't know the marked price. We can come here and you say, therefore, discount plus selling price is equals to marked price. I've just brought this selling price to the other side, so it changes from negative to positive. So here we can have 546 plus 104 should give us our MP, or marked price. So you'll find that this one is going to be 650. This one gives us 650. This is actually our marked price. But the question was asking the discount in percentage. The discount in percentage, or percentage discount, it is always the discount, which in this case is 104, over the marked price, which we have found to be 650. Then you change this one into percentage, and by so doing, you will find that is going to be 104 divided by 650, it gives us 16%. The discount is 16%. So it is a matter of playing around with what you have not been given. There is no way we can get the percentage discount without first of all calculating the marked price. So the intention was to calculate the marked price here first using these two values that we have been given through application of this particular equation. Once we have the marked price, now we can be able to put it as the denominator of the discount, and then we multiply by the 100% to be able to get this. Let's see what number 4 was asking in the same. Number 4, it says that after allowing a discount of 8%, so here we have been given the discount is 8%. After allowing a discount of 8%, a toy was sold. This is now the selling price. Was sold at 216 and 20 cents. Find the marked price of the toy. So you are told find MP. So that is what is given. So it is a matter of playing around with this concept. We know marked price, it is actually representing 100%. If a discount of 8% was offered, then this particular, the selling price, it is at 100 minus 8, which is the same as 92%. That is actually the starting point. If the discount was this percentage, then you minus that from 100% representing the market price, so that you can get the percentage that is going to represent our selling price. By so doing now, we can say this: if 92% is equivalent to 216.20, because our selling price is this, what about 100%, which is actually our marked price? So it's going to be 100% through cross multiplication here times 216.20 over 92%. Percent and percent will cancel out, and you will find that it is going to be 100 times 216.2, 216.2, and then we divide by 92, which you find that that particular item was supposed to be sold at 235. That is actually the marked price. So that is how you do it. If you are given the percentage and now you are asked the marked price, that is how you do it. If you are given the percentage and you are looking for the selling price, you can be able also to get it. But the point of concern here, or the point that you need to note, is this: at 100%, that is the marked price and it will never change. But now the selling price is going to be determined by the percentage discount. If the discount is 10%, then the selling price will be 90%. If the discount is 15%, then the selling price is going to be 85%. You minus that percentage from the 100 so that you can get a percentage that represents the selling price, and you can be able now to come up with an equation, or you can equate the concepts for you to get the value that you are looking for. Thank you very much. You can be able to attempt the other questions, and we shall meet in our next lesson.